Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video we will be working out downstairs at the gym. Today's Tuesday, May 27th, and I think we're going to do legs. Being that I did not work out yesterday, we're going to do legs. Well, I did work out yesterday, I just didn't record. It was just cardio on the bike. I did post a short, so that is up there. If you haven't checked that out, be sure to check that out. Like, comment, share, whatever what you want to do so to support. So today I will be doing legs, possibly arms and back, so we'll see. But first I'm going to take my Oxy Shred, drink my water, get my music on, and we're gonna work out. Okay, work out 30 minutes to 45 minutes, it depends. That's how long I work out, if you didn't know. Let's get to it.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros for the immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let outdo me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, I in order. This shit ain't got serious, the millions come plural. I'm leaving by more, we swiping and keeping no word. Explorer, I'm young and I'm turned, I got pictures galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm spurting. Got 5 million cash just in case if you merge. My young niggas still get away, they be virgin. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who for you working? I turned on my crew, bought a coupe off of verses. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm pouring that nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished, I told you we with it. My word is like gold in my city, I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you froze when they hit it. Putting these hoes in the business, you know that you trippin'. I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different. She tryna leave me, I'm low down. I hang with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. Run through the low, call the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah, cullin' and shouting, my driving name Sally. I keep them on point, make sure nobody follow us. I got a Glock with a shot that can stop a truck. I get the money, ain't ways like an octopus. Go in hell, I'ma give all these choppers up. 10 full of players, ain't nobody stopping us. We got a run, give a fuck that we popping them. Been raising hell back in school, I was popping them. Yeah. All of my hoes get fed, she fed me. Making my bitch too much, she lazy. I was thinking price too high and I raised it. Shit in my bank account getting outraged. Niggas spend a lot, they had to switch up my phrase. And I'm sitting outside till the fouls get flamed. Switch up my route till the house had to change. Still with this shit, I forget that I'm trying to leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. I do the low, call the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah, you tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. I do the low, call the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. You can try to run and hide, it won't make a difference. Can't lie to yourself. Double R had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got cuffed. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion. Make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it, I just hum and let the watch give off the neons. When it rains, it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. Something about how was a toy. You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, the one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. You gonna waste your time with me, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see if you gonna waste your time with me, then waste your time with me. You could have all the space, more than you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. Then I may learn about them. Girl, you wanted us to see. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, I'll give you a clear mind. I'll keep you sitting inside. I'll share my world with you. If you wanna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes.
I'm out of breath. Great workout. I'm sweating. For sure sweat. Like, I don't sweat like this on the normal. So, guys, his shirt is doing this thing. I did a 1 minute on the Stairmaster in my cardio to end my workout. Everything, I try to do sets, but I think I do until failure. I do as many as I can because that way I know what my body can tolerate. So do as many as you can each exercise until failure so that you know what your body can tolerate. So yeah. Yep. And it's currently 7 o'clock. I'm about to go in here and make me a lettuce wrap burger. I haven't eaten since this morning. I had 2 over easy eggs, or two sunny side up eggs, and coffee and water. Okay. Today my dinner is gonna be burger, lettuce wrap burger, no bun, with a smoothie. Post-workout smoothie first, then burger if I can eat it. So yeah, that wraps up today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and cut that notification bell on so that you do not miss any future videos. Peace out, guys.
Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck. Running back to the strip club, I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me.